Come test drive the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.